Hello to friends and welcome. Today I have for you another Sanrenmu knife, which was graciously donated by my friend to review purposes. And we will be talking about the Sanrenmu 7089 LUY SDW2. So it is really a long name, but so let's dive in. So this is a small, or let's say small to medium sized flipper from Sanrenmu. Sanrenmu is a well-known manufacturer of knives and OEM manufacturer for other companies. They used to make these medium to small size knives for a really great price. So here you are looking at the price point for around $12, and I will try to put links in the description. So this time they specify also the design maker or design owner. This is the windrunner. Here is your model number. So let's dive into the specifications. So we have a open length of 16.1 centimeters or 6.3 inch. The closed length is 9.5 centimeters or 3.7 inch. The blade width, so the widest part, is 2.2 centimeters or 0.87 inches. The blade thickness, or the stock, is 2.2 millimeters or 0.087 inches, and the weight of the knife is 85.4 grams or 3 ounces. We have a stainless steel construction with a, I would say, glass breaker slash lanyard attachment. It a little bit extends the knife and breaks down the sharp design. It is not sharp, but the design is sharp, like on some Striders. It is non-skeletonized, of course. Nice centering. It has a nice flipping action, but this is due to my friend's handiwork. So keep that in mind, that he did tweak a little bit this knife to his liking, or how he wants the knife to perform. So that means if you are getting one and you're not getting the same flipping action, you can do those modifications by yourself and have it, which is in my opinion a really great platform for experimenting and for sharpening your skills. Only downside in my opinion is the pocket clip. It has only one position. In my opinion, they had plenty of space here to put the pocket clip also here. But lots of Sanrenmu knives have only one position for the clip, so this is like some kind of their standard. And of course, the acid stonewash finish will be great for your everyday use, because it makes the blade a little bit more corrosion resistant. But keep in mind that this is a 8CR 14 MOV steel, so 8 centimeters or 6.5, so 6.5 centimeters blade. So you have to be careful and probably use some kind of corrosion inhibitor or oil. Depends on your preference. If you are using it for food prep, then maybe just use some kind of non-toxic agent or vegetable oil. It will be better than nothing, but considering the price point, you will not be any kind of heartbroken if it does rust on you and you need to maybe reprofile or repolish the blade. Overall, it has really a nice character. In my opinion, this is a really nice original design. It does not copy anything out there. So I have here a few comparisons. So here is the small Griptilian. As you can see, this is a smaller knife than the small Griptilian. The Spyderco Delica 4, also a larger knife. Here is the Kershaw Shuffle 2, which is probably on the same, almost the same size. So just keep that in mind. If you are interested, check it out. For around $12, there is really nothing you could go wrong. But I'm well aware that at that price point you have lots and lots of options. So keep your options open. Thanks to my friend for lending me this knife. And if you have any questions, leave comments down below. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.